Do you know why no amount of blending would actually blend out your foundations? It's because your product line wasn't built on inclusion in the first place. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this Fenty face. This is the shade color in 445, which is a new shade in the Fenty extended line. And I'm going to show you how I got this simple but cute hangover chic, effortless beat type of look. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. I have zero expectations only because I never had any of her face products, nor have I really been watching reviews. I wanted to be unbiased and super fair with this video. I am a Rihanna stan, Navy, where we at? But I wanted to put that aside and just enjoy the products for what it is. So we're gonna get right into this video. So I am in the brand new shade 445. I think I originally got matched between the Fenty line within 460, and that was really, really red on my skin. So first glance, love the packaging. This is so cute. I love this. This spray paint, artsy, fartsy. I live for stuff like this, very abstract. This is gorgeous packaging. I am going to rip it because I'm a heathen. I do love that it has a sticker on it. I like when I know I'm the first one to use a product. Sorry. Such a heathen. I can't properly, you know, my brows are already done and filled. I'm going to do a little eye makeup. The challenge for this video is not only to get a properly hangover beat, but we're also not going to mess up my waist shirt. I saw Shayla doing it, and I'm like, Shayla, you are Avengers, girl, because ain't no way. I am trife life. So I put my hair back. Highly recommended by my dermatologist. I went into her office and she's like, girl, do you have your hair in your face? And I'm like, who wants to know? She's like, this could be causing your acne. And I'm like, you know what? You be on to something, honey boo boo. So, 445, I love this packaging. I'm so glad to finally be matched. Oh, this is a long time coming, y'all. So, I'm going to pump a little bit on my hand. I should get a mixing palette because I do not want to mess up this shirt. I swear, if I get something on this shirt, I'm gonna scream. But whatever, we're going to go in. I'm actually going to use a Real Technique sponge just because I know this sponge. And so I figured if I use a sponge that I am equipped with, I know what the end result should look about right. So I'm putting this on right now. This is a really good match, I have to say. I just have a little mirror right here. I'm just gonna look in it and make sure. And I think for the launch for this product was just about, you know, waking up after a hangover or anything that life throws at you and having a cure. So that was really cute marketing. I love that idea. And this was just actually 2 pumps, and I still have more on here. So this is just a testament to how much coverage you're going to get with the actual foundation itself. So, off first glance, love the packaging, love the finish. It is, I would say, medium to full coverage, buildable. And I think we're almost blended, guys. I think this is how it's supposed to finish on me. I'm not gonna put that on my neck. We're not gonna play ourselves, guys. We're not. So now that I feel confident in this blend, what you think? I don't know. Communicate with me telepathically if you're feeling this blend. Whoa. And this is no color correcting. This is no concealer. This is just straight Fenty crack. I love this so far. Ooh. She cute. She real cute. We're going to get rid of that. Y'all, I will play myself. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know the half of it. I'm not gonna touch myself. I need to make sure my hands are really clean. This is a challenge. This is a Shayla challenge. Put on a white shirt and film a video. That's the Shayla challenge. So now we're going to put on the concealer. Now, I didn't get the recommended shade that corresponds with the 445. I do opt for a very highlighted under eye, so I did pick up the shade 430 in the Cure Concealer, and I'm going to do a very light coverage. Very light. So far, I'm loving this. It's super thick and creamy. I'm gonna almost compare this to, I would call this a serum-like finish, only because it looks super hydrating. And not once is it going any sheer on my face, so thumbs up to that. That's a hard thing to master, both full coverage while looking, while having a really nice radiant finish. I'm gonna take the other side, and this is just a little bit. I don't think I need that much. I was recommended by one of the Sephora ladies at the one in Oakland. Shout out to you guys. You guys are so sweet and so helpful, to only use a little with this because it goes a long way. And usually I would be going ham sandwich on rye with this concealer, so we're not gonna do that. And so far she was onto something. The point she made, I heard it. I'm barely blending this out, y'all. This stuff is fantastic. All I need is my Fenty wine and my Fenty sunglasses. If she really drops like fashion, like pieces and glasses and wine and bundles, hello, girl. I'm gonna be in my Fenty house on my Fenty street, living my best Fenty life, just the way Rihanna would allow it. So, bring that down my nose a little bit. And I've actually been going for a little highlight. I actually have a big forehead, and I found that all the highlight I was using on my forehead was only accentuating my gigantic forehead. So doing the opposite of what we wanted to do. Y'all, this finish, like on here, it's pulling. It's pulling. Like, it looks damn good. But in person, girl, hangover who? Bad decisions what? What? Y'all, I'm really feeling myself. She fully covered. So now I didn't get any of the stick foundations because I'm trying to do this new method in which I play up on the negative space of me not highlighting, and that'll give me my finished contoured look. So think about that if you don't want to go through the steps of highlighting. Just try to play up the negative space. So for the next step, I'm going to take my Fenty powder. I got this one in Hazelnut. I don't even know the one recommended to me, but I'm pretty sure this isn't the one that they recommended. But I saw it and I'm like, I don't want to do that. I mean, I think her makeup artists, they know what they're talking about with this, but with this one, I know I like to be a little highlighted. So I did get a darker shade. It is a very darker kind of shade, but it's not too much to where it defeats the purpose of me highlighting under my eye. So because I went lighter in my concealer, I also went lighter in my powder. In short is what I'm saying. And I'm just going to do a light wash over my eye. This is a Morphe 510 brush. I'm doing a light wash. I'm so over baking. I don't know who started that. I do appreciate a good bake though. I'm not even gonna lie. I was a sucker in all my past videos. You've seen me bake, but I love the dew of the natural foundation. Sometimes foundations are self-setting and I forget that, so I know you guys are probably forgetting that too. They are self-setting, and so with this one I don't want to look too cakey. I just want to be true to the actual finish of the actual product. But I am going to cut my cheeks because that is oh so necessary. I have not lost my Christmas weight. Comment down below if you lost your Christmas weight by now. Girl, 2019 is already your bitch. She gonna do whatever you need her to do. She's gonna hold you down, okay? Like this. Because my little Christmas pudges, my Thanksgiving pudge is still in effect, okay? Then I went to New York and I ate. Not that the food was that good, because I'm from New Orleans, so it's different, but I still ate. But, ooh. Honey, she is fully bloated. So, that's the powder. Now, I'm actually going to cut my cheeks with the powder. Me and my little new wig. Y'all see me? It took a long time to put this on. I didn't get the lace right, which is why we have a hat on, but never mind that. We're so cute. It still goes with the look. So, I'm going to take it a little bit further. Pat it in. She's cut. She is chiseled. She is skinty. Now that I'm looking at it, I love that you can see the actual radiant finish of the powder. Okay, so now for the eyes. All right, so now I'm going to go inside the 39A palette. This is a old favorite. I want to do a very hungover. Like when I'm hungover, particularly, this is the most, you know, this is the most I do. If I want to look like I love myself and I care about my organs and my kidneys, I do stuff like this. But with the eyes, we're going to keep it very, very, very simple. So I'm going to do like a brown, smoky type of look. I'm going to just dig in and see what comes up. So I'm going to take this shade from the 39A palette and a Morphe. I'm going to take an E40 brush from Sigma and this shade of the 39A palette. I'm going to go into my crease with that. I wish I had a Fenty palette to use. That'd have been so dope, and I could have just been Fenty out. I'm going to form a blended circle from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner of my eye. Keep this at 3 shadow minimum. 3. If you're doing 4, you're doing too much. Your immune system is too strong. Your kidneys are too strong. They're too intact. You have too much time. I actually don't suffer from horrible hangovers. It only happens when I'm drinking. Like whatever I'm drinking, if it's cheap, it's mostly wine. Like that's the one that gives me the headaches. What are we thinking? See? Si se puede? Can you do this look? Ooh, to bring up the self-love a little notch, I'm gonna take another shade in the Morphe M330 brush. And I'm going to take, what color am I going to take? Go right next door. Let's get her. I'm gonna go only in the inner part of my eye. Little tiny sweet, nothing crazy, you know, real simple. If this looks take you longer than 15 minutes, you haven't been drunk enough. You were doing mids all night and cheap vodka. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so now that that's done, is this a good shimmer? Yep, it'll do. Ooh. It angers me so. I'm picking up the shade with the naked brush. Y'all know I love these little naked brushes. Y'all slept on these. Y'all 3 hours away. Put yourself in the trash too, girl. You took it out with that one. These brushes are bomb. Taking that in the inner part of my eyes, bringing it up. Beautiful. This is really pretty, y'all. This is just what I wanted. Little glitter, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Okay. So there's that. Then we're going to do a quick lash. So I'm gonna stop the excess powder. I expected it to leave like a very apparent line, but it didn't. So shout out to Fenty for that. I'm still waiting on my lash glue to dry, but these are the Tequila Sunrise lashes by Your Lash Bar. These are my current favorite lashes for looking awake. It makes me look really doe-eyed and glowy. It attributes to a really nice like hungover look, so we're feeling it. We staying. We look alive. So love that. Now while my face is kind of damp, just a little bit, I'm gonna take a Morphe 510 brush once again. I'm gonna take this highlighting powder from MAC in the color Snow Flush. And while my face is still wet, I'm going to give myself a little highlight. It's my new little trick I like to do. Kind of pinkish. Ooh. Do y'all see the final finish? I didn't even put powder up here yet. Do y'all see the finish of that with the setting spray on? I didn't even need highlight, but we're still trying to go for that awake, organs are dying look. So because we're going for the nude lip look, I'm going to take my favorite lip color in my Flip Side from MAC once again. Just using a very light cream sheen lipstick. That's it. What lip liner? Who? What? You don't need none of that. So now I'm going to take Neat Freak from ColourPop. Take a little bit of that on the back of my hand. And with my pinky finger once again, I'm gonna take that and put that on. My lid. We're glossy. She's glossy. The look is done. We're done, but we're not done. We're not done with this look at all. Okay, so to finish off this look, we're going to use, because this is a look, y'all. We don't do makeup tutorials. This is a look. So to finish off this very nude, we look alive, we love ourselves look, we're going to finish off with Rihanna's perfume. This is actually history because this is probably the only fragrance you'd see from me that is almost completely gone. This is such a throwback, and I'm feeling all the nostalgia feels from this. I absolutely adore this fragrance. It's a very pretty, fruity floral fragrance. Oh. This just smells like self-love, y'all. This is so good. I'm actually spraying this in my hair like that. So this fragrance has gardenias, pears, musk, sandalwood, and a vanilla base. I smell mostly the vanilla because I'm a sucker for vanilla and sandalwood. So sandalwood and vanilla are apparent in this fragrance, as well as pear. It's a very clean but creamy fragrance. If you're looking for something super effortless, you're not really trying too hard, you're not really doing the most, but you're still enough, it's this fragrance. It's super creamy, super feminine, super beautiful, and this look would not be complete without it. So we're just Fenty fragrance out. This is a throwback. I love her perfumes. Whoever is her perfumer or coordinator for her fragrances are onto something. I assume this is what she smells like always. So glad we can use this in this video. So this is the completed look, guys. This is the completed beat. We are effortless, hunger chic. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me apply makeup in this horrible fashion. If you're interested in videos like this or in this one, comment down below, and also give this video a really big thumbs up. And that's it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Girl, the cramps. I really just don't understand, why do I have to prove every single month that I'm not pregnant? It gets really old really fast.
I'm a gym.